All right, Spotlight Small Business DMV. Let's go. Yellowstone Auto Glass, located in Chantilly, Virginia. Long story short, bought two Tesla Model Ys. Many of you know I started a rental rideshare company renting out my Tesla to individuals for rideshare. Anyway, a rock hit my freaking front window, so I had to get the freaking window replaced because I had to take it through Maryland inspection. And Garrison and Robert came out from Yellowstone, amazing, professional. Man, I can't say enough great things about this business. They came in, as you see, they popped that new window in. I mean, I think they may have been there a total of maybe an hour and 20 minutes, but they were so professional. They showed up on time, ready to work, very courteous. Yellowstone for all your auto glass needs. I checked a couple other areas to do this for me, and their pricing was nothing compared to Yellowstone. And I mean, I'm telling you, Yellowstone offer me a warranty automatically for 10 years. And I'm going to tell you guys, Yellowstone Auto Glass Repair, located right here in the DMV, actually in Chantilly, Virginia, but they did amazing work. Robin and Garrison were so professional. I can't say enough about my initial phone call. They got it done, and they were ready to work as soon as they got there. And then before you know it, they were out the door. Yellowstone Auto Glass Repair. Look at the results. I'm winning.